Hi, I'm Kubi and this is Kubi Does It. Today, we're going to find the deals of the week that you can pick up on Amazon and maybe somewhere else. Stay till the end and I'll show you an item that I think you have to buy. So with that said, let's get started with the first item, which is a Dewalt oscillating tool. I have one of these, this specific tool, and really love it. So this is a Dewalt 20 volt Max XR oscillating toolkit. It's 3-speed, comes with some blades, battery, charger, and a bag included. It is 35% off at $143.06. Typical price $219. So if you're looking for a really good oscillating tool, this just might be the one you're looking for. This is a good one. Next is the Craftsman VersaStack mechanics tool set. It's a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive socket set. It's a 230 piece set in total. It comes with 3 72 tooth low profile ratchets, 47 standard sockets, 28 deep sockets, 28 long arm hex keys, 16 short arm hex keys, 21 combination wrenches, 16-bit sockets, 3 extension bars, 1 socket a bit adapter, 1 bit driver, and 66 specialty bits. Yeah, the 66 specialty bits are a little bit of fluff, but all in all, for the price of $99, this is a bargain. It's 50% off, normally $200. So if you're in the market for a good solid tool set, this is a really good beginner set, and I'll tell you, Craftsman has gotten a whole lot better than they had been after they stopped making the tools in the USA, and they were kind of adrift without a rudder there for a while. But Stanley Black & Decker bought them out, and they really have stepped up their game and improved the tools. So right now, the Craftsman tools are good solid tools, and I recommend them. Next, we've got a Dewalt 20 volt Max brushless cutoff tool. It is the compact version, but this is the tool only. So there's no battery, no charger. If you're looking for a really good cutoff tool, and the ergonomics of these cutoff tools are just so much better for making cuts. So $123.40. Normal price is $200, so it's 38% off. If you need a cutoff tool, this is the way to go. This is a staple that you should have. This is the 20 volt Max cordless drill and impact driver. This comes with the bag, 2 batteries, and a charger. I think these are 2 amp hour batteries. This is not brushless though, which everybody knows I love brushless tools better than the brushed tools. But in this case, at this price, this is a pretty darn good deal. It's $159, normally $239, so it's 33% off. I have this set in brushed, just like this. I also have it brushless. Yeah, there might be a slight difference in how much time you get on a battery charge. Not significant. If you're not using this every single day, you know, having to charge batteries multiple times a day, the brushed versus brushes is probably not going to be significant for you. I recommend this at $159. And then, not to make my Milwaukee friends feel bad, we have this Milwaukee 12 volt fuel 1/4 inch cordless impact driver. This is the bare tool only. These are really nice. My son has one of these, and it's very compact, very small, but it works really well. I've used it. I think I used it one time to help him with something, but I recommend this. I don't have any Milwaukee cordless tools, so I can't tell you they're the greatest thing since sliced bread, but I trust my son. My son loves them. So getting back to Craftsman, here's another combination drill and impact driver set. This comes with 2 batteries and a charger. Again, I believe these are 2 amp hour batteries. It doesn't say in the ad that I could tell, but these are good solid tools. Stanley bought Craftsman years ago, and they also make Dewalt. So these look an awful lot like Dewalt tools. I'm not going to say they're exactly the same because I don't think they are, but I can say that they're high quality, and I wouldn't hesitate to buy them. And at $99, 34% off, normal price is $150. This is a bargain. This is shifting gears a little bit. Are these the highest quality screwdrivers? No. But you get 124 pieces of what they call the ultimate screwdriver set, and it even comes with a little stand to hold your screwdrivers on. You get a whole myriad of bits, you get Allen wrenches, you get a bunch of, what is that, about 7 precision screwdrivers, and then more than I can count regular standard screwdrivers. Don't discount these cheap screwdrivers. You know, are they lifetime screwdrivers? Probably not. But I can tell you, I've got some low-cost screwdrivers that I purchased, probably 10 years ago, and I keep them on my workbench in a little rack where you can see them. And that's for my wife, and if anybody comes over, my son or one of them wants to use it, they can come out here and grab it. And I'll tell you, a lot of times I grab those and use them myself, and they just work. I've not had any problem with them. You know, they're not my vessel, and I really like vessel screwdrivers, but they aren't bad. And you know, these aren't the exact same brand, but they're probably of the same quality. And I would not hesitate to buy these, especially for a spare set. Now, this is probably the deal of the day, period. This is the Dewalt 20 volt max lithium ion battery 2-pack with a charger. These are 5 amp hour batteries, so that's a pretty significant deal there, especially at $126. These are normally $319. So this is a bargain. This is a deal for 2 5 amp batteries and a charger. Get this while you can. And here's a little trivial item that I found on Amazon on sale. It has a 20% off coupon, so it's $30. You'll get $6 off of that, 24 bucks for what looks to be a pretty substantial little survival kit. You've got a tactical pen, you've got a flashlight, you've got a compass, you've got a couple of knives, you've got, looks like a string saw, some paracord, a paracord bracelet, a whistle, some carabiners, and a lot more stuff than I can probably look at this picture and tell you what it is. So you get 37 pieces with a 20% off coupon. That's a pretty good deal if you're in the market for a survival kit. This digital caliper set, I have this same caliper set and I love it. I also have the dial caliper, and this is very accurate. It'll match up to the dial caliper every time. And it's 41% off. Typically it is $26.99, so $27 on sale for $16. You can't go wrong with that if you're looking for a digital caliper, and I highly recommend having a digital caliper because frankly, trying to read, especially when you get older like me and your eyes are half shot, trying to read that dial caliper gets to be a pain. This has a nice big screen on it. It comes with batteries, and it's a really good tool. I won't try to read the whole description, but it is a very good tool. And then lastly, this is from Harbor Freight. This is their Icon drop point knife with ceramic bearings, and I have one of these. This is an awesome knife. This is their answer to the snap-on knife. What a lot of people don't realize is mechanics typically carry knives because you use them a lot. My son, he's always got a knife in his pocket, and when I'm working on something, unless I'm traveling, I have a knife in my pocket. This is an amazingly nice knife. It's D2 steel, which is really good quality steel. Like I said, ceramic bearings. It's very smooth action. It has the detent that you push over. It closes up and it opens with a finger flick. It has a nice hook. It's got a composite handle that's extremely sturdy. But the most amazing thing about this is it comes, sometimes knives don't come super sharp. This thing's like a razor blade. If you don't like hunting or animals, put your fingers in your ears for about the next 6 seconds. But I went hunting recently with my brother-in-law and my son, and we used my knife. And my brother-in-law really, really liked this so much that I ended up giving it to him. And I got myself a new one. But super, super great knife. Normally $40 on sale for $30. I don't see how they're selling them that cheap, because this knife should be a whole lot more expensive. At $40, it's a good deal. At $30, it's a downright bargain. They don't stay on the shelves very long at Harbor Freight, so if you see one and you can get it, buy it. And I think the sale goes on until the 27th of October for this, so you've still got, I think, 6 more days. So good solid knife. And if you like pocket knives and you need a really good pocket knife, this is the way to go. Well, that's it, folks. That's what I have for this week. And I hope that it's been a little entertaining. Maybe you learned a little something, and maybe you found a bargain that you're going to go buy and enjoy. As always, thank you. Please hit the subscribe button, and please come back again, and God bless.